I signed up for tutoring because I was struggling, and I was on the verge of not being successful, and I was going to have to leave the program.
When I started the barbering program, I needed help with reading, comprehension, and test-taking skills.
As a new refugee, I faced many challenges in my program. Everything is very different here.
I would say that the tutoring program at Emily Griffith was a game changer.
Tutors help us to hone our study skills, manage our time, and develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills.
I really was impressed with how nurturing and open the tutors were with me and how supportive they were.
I was nervous at first, but my tutor gave me confidence.
My advice to anyone thinking about tutoring would be to jump right in to it feet first.